In this video, we'll show you where diamonds truly come from. Not from luxury, not from lights, but from our hands.
The mine stretches far and wide. Every move here matters if we want to uncover the diamonds hidden in these rocks. Look at this place. Every truck and every hand plays up what we find underground. This is where the real work begins. The darkness hides treasures.
Look at this. Tiny, but worth everything we do.
Sometimes, finding one like this can make your whole week.
It's exhausting, but each strike could uncover the next diamond. And if we get lucky, we'll laugh about this later.
Let's get these to the next stage. Gage, every basket might hide something special.
I swear, one day I'll find the biggest one yet. Quick break. Even a small biscuit gives energy for the next stage.
I'll eat this and catch the next diamond.
The water reveals what we need. Tiny diamonds hide in the dirt. Keep your eyes sharp. Every piece counts. Each stone might be the next big find. We sort carefully.
I think this one will shine bright later.
Careful with the buckets. We can't lose even a single stone. Don't worry. I got the heaviest one. First crush is crucial. We need consistent size for the next step. Every piece we pick carefully could be worth a fortune. I need a coffee after this, but look at these little sparks. Keep steady. The wash station is just ahead. These arms are getting tired, but the sparkle makes it worth it.
The water reveals everything. See those tiny sparkles?
Even after hours, this moment makes it all worthwhile.
Each one we pick carefully could be the next diamond.
I love this part, the first reward for our effort.
Even a small biscuit gives energy for the next stage.
I'll eat this and then catch the next sparkle.
Careful with the baskets. Every stone counts.
Almost there. These stones are heavy but precious.
This rig is kicking up more dust than usual. Yeah, we need to watch the clearance on the left side. Every one of these could be the next gem we send to the factory. Make sure each container is secure. We can't afford to lose anything. Every rock could hide the next diamond. This is how the journey begins. See these sparkles? That's the diamond waiting to be freed.
This is the hardest part, breaking the stone without losing the diamonds.
It takes patience. One wrong move and the stone could be lost forever.
Sometimes the dust gets into your lungs, but this is our life.
These are the stones straight from the ground. Every piece hides a different story.
You can see flaws that formed millions of years ago. That's the diamond's fingerprint.
We calculate the angles to waste nothing. Every micron matters here.
Even after cutting, nature still surprises us. No two stones are ever the same.
In this room, every sparkle is measured, Sade. Perfection has no accident.
Every stone has a story. We don't just set diamonds, we set memories that last forever. Every piece must survive pressure greater than the ocean itself.
Check the alignment at the 3 marker.
Within tolerance. The bezel next.
When someone wears this watch, they carry months of our hearts and hands on their wrist.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to the boutique.
Every diamond you see here has been hand set by our artisans.
It feels timeless.
Our customers can see the precision and brilliance of each piece up close.
Wow, the craftsmanship is incredible.
Every Rolex carries not just time, but the story of human perfection.